Tell me what is DBT?
Data build tool.
It's a data build
Mm.
tool. What's the purpose of this DBT? What exactly we do? It is a data
Transformation.
transformation framework. Okay, so framework. Okay, see. So what exactly it will do? It will take the raw data with the help of DBT. We are going for transform data will be available. So this is raw data, DBT, transform data will be available. This is fine. So next point is that what, so far good. Next one is that what, okay. So see, before that, tell me what is ETL and ELT abbreviation. We'll see 2 minutes. Tell me what is ETL and ELT abbreviation. Same. Extracting the data
from the source.
extracting the data from the data source. Okay, see data nothing but raw data. What is T? Transforming the raw data. Raw data. Okay, so this is same raw data. So this is fine. What about L? Loading the transformed data into the data warehouse. It can be Snowflake or Redshift. So this is ETL approach. What about ELT approach? It is extracting the data from the data source. What is L? What is L? Tell me.
Loading the raw
Tell me.
data.
So loading the
raw data
into the
database.
data warehouse. It can be Snowflake or Redshift. In the Snowflake, we are getting raw data. Then what are exactly doing? So transforming the raw data. Now with the help of what we are trying to do, with the help of DBT. So right now DBT fits in ETL approach or ELT approach. Tell me.
ELT approach.
ELT approach. See, remember here data is already transformed. So DBT doesn't do anything. So here raw data will be available. Tell me DBT is not an ETL tool or ELT tool. It's mostly focused on the transformation part. Data already loaded in the Snowflake. Just we are connecting and we are trying to access. So see raw data. So DBT is coming to picture. Then we're getting transformed data. This is the functionality. Tell me with the help of DBT, what are the advantages we are having? What are the advantages we're having? Anyone? What are the advantages? We can do ELT data pipelines. We can build ELT data pipelines easily. Then we can do the development activities. So testing we can do easily. Then deployment. What is deployment? Tell me what is deployment? So moving the what is deployment?
Moving the data from the
code from one instance to other instance. Okay, this is called as deployment. So we can perform development, testing, deployment, and documentation and data lineage. So see, these are the advantages of DBT. We can perform development activities, testing activities. See one more time. It's a data build tool, mainly for what? Used for data transformation purpose. So it's not an ETL tool or ELT tool. Mostly focus on which part? Focus on the transformation part. Raw data, DBT will come in picture, transform data will be available. So data is already loaded with the help of ELT tools. Okay. Tell me what the ELT tools we're having in the market. ELT tools. That's an ETL tool. It can be so mostly use Fivetran. Okay, see Fivetran or Stitch or Air Material or something. So see this mostly use Fivetran. So see these are called as data loaders, loading the data into the data warehouse. So this is fine. Now why DBT? We can perform coding, testing, deployment, documentation. We'll see the same thing in practical. Now we're discussing theory part. Once you see session, we can do how we can do the testing concept. We are having singular test, generic test will be there, deployment concept, documentation concept, data. So with the help of DBT, I can easily build ELT data pipelines. I can do the testing activities, deployment activities, documentation, and the data lineage. So see, these are the testing. So reusability code, we already discussed, just high level testing concept, macros and ninjas. What is CI/CD abbreviation? Operation for CI/CD, it's a continuous integration, continuous deployment. We can easily integrate our code with GitHub. So see, this is the CI/CD, data lineage and documentation. See, remember, with the help of DBT, we can do easily the testing activities, a reusable code, that is macros and Jinja concept, CI/CD integration, data lineage, documentation. So same thing in Snowflake. If I want to develop any automation code, what we'll go for? We'll go for procedures and function. Same thing in DBT. If I want to write any automation code or usable to code, we go for what? Macros concept. We'll see work on this macros concept. See, okay, so this is the functional. Remember, if you want to get DBT understanding, SQL concept should be there. Okay, tell me what is CTE concept? What is CTE? It's a common table expression. So see, point is that what if you want to learn DBT, so this all this SQL concepts should be aware. Okay, see, what are the SQL concepts? Okay, see, the string functions, number functions, conditional statement, these all the things. Okay, see, ultimately we should do the transformation with the help of this SQL statements only. This all the things, aggregate function, analytical function, CTS concepts, joins concepts. So this all things should be learned. The same concept we are putting inside DBT, that's it. Okay, got the pointer. So this is the functionality. So Snowflake data warehouse. Tell me in Snowflake, what are the table types are there? These are very important for DBT. In Snowflake, what are the table types we are having?
Permanent table, transient table,
So
and
internal tables and external
external.
tables. Same thing we'll see in DBT also. See, these are important. Internal tables and external tables. Again, internal table having the concept of permanent table, transient table, so temporary table. So at least you should have idea on this table types. What is permanent table? What is transient table? And the temporary tables purpose. Same thing, you should have knowledge on views. Tell me what types of views are available in Snowflake. Important.
Normal view, materialized view.
Normal view. This is all called as non-materialized views. Okay, see, materialized views.
Secure
Okay.
views.
And secure views, only three. One more thing is that is temporary view also you can create. Okay, so see, ultimately what's the point is that what? So if I want to do anything now, we should require this table types concept, permanent table, transient table, temporary table concept. Same thing, normal view, materialized view, secure view, temporary view. So these things, at least you should have knowledge in these things so that we can learn DBT easily. See, one more time, if you want to learn DBT, these are the prerequisites: SQL statement, any data warehouse, Snowflake, or Redshift, or BigQuery, or Synapse. Okay, and table and its types, and view and its types. So these are the basic things. Okay, these are. Okay. Let me come to the project flow and start our thing. So see, remember, this project flow is important. Ultimately, our role is what? DBT developer. So see what happened. So we'll work mostly on the data migration. Tell me what is data migration? Nothing but what? Anyone? What is data migration? Tell me anyone. So we work mostly on the data migration project. Tell me what is exactly it means.
Migrating from data migration from one source to
So
other.
migrating the data from one data source to
another.
Snowflake. Now what exactly we are trying to migrate? We are trying to migrate the tables, the views, the functions, and procedures. So see, point is that what here? So as a part of Snowflake developer and DBT developer, we will work mostly on the data migration part. See, so sources, it can be file system, it can be on-premises or SAP HANA. This is the system. So these are the legacy data sources. From here, what happened? We want to move our data to the cloud. It can be Snowflake, or it can be Redshift, or it can be BigQuery. So now what happened? This movement of data is called as what? Data is called as data migration project. Now it can be S3, or it can be Azure or GCP. Now tell me which ELT tool we're using. So we're going for Phytron. So from here, I want to get into Snowflake. Tell me by using which concept we try to upload the data. Tell me. So now data is there here. Now we need to bring the data from the cloud. We should go for what concept? Anybody? We're using what?
Copy the
Copy into Snowpipe or external table. Simple thing here, what happened now? So this is the project flow from Oracle database with the help of ELT, assume like Fightran, we are bringing the data and where we are putting into
S3.
AWS cloud, okay, or Azure cloud or GCP cloud. From here, what happened? We should go for concept of copy into our Snowpipe or external table. From here, we need to learn to Snowflake. Here we're using transient table. So this is normal flow. We'll come to the topic. Don't worry. Okay, see. Now from here to we are getting this data. Now what data we are getting? We are getting raw data will be available. Tell me who will come into picture. Now data is loaded by the ELT systems or some other system. Now data is available. Now data is a raw in format. Now who will come into picture? Actual guy, tell me. Which guy? The TBT, the data
DB.
build tool will come into picture and what exactly it will do? The transformation. Now, what exactly with the help of DBT, I can perform development, testing, deployment, documentation, data lineage, version control. See, one more time, now see, data is available. Now, what happened now? Now, DBT is coming into picture. It is not involved in the extraction part or loading part. Only transformation part it is happening. Now with the help of DBT, I can perform development, testing, deployment, documentation, lineage, and version control. Tell me, ultimately this data will be consumed by whom? This data?
Reporting users.
So to the end users, nothing but what it can be Power BI guy, Tableau guy. So see, ultimately DBT is coming to picture. Now we're in the transformed data. So this transformed data will be consumed by whom? So see, reporting team. They build dashboards. Or else like what happened? So it can be what? AI people, machine learning people, they want files format. We'll go for data unload concept. Same thing. Next step is that what use is there? A is the next, which could also next we go for what? Data sharing. We'll go for security. We'll see the same thing ultimately at the last sessions. So the project flow. See, as of now, understand data is loaded into the Snowflake. DBT come into picture, take the data, do the transmissions, testing, deployment, documentation, and use this data to the transform data. One more time. So data is already available, just connecting, doing the transmissions, validations, documentation, deployment, and give the consumption guide. So see, got the point. This is one approach. Our one approach is that what see from here directly we are trying to load into source systems. No cloud is there. Directly we are loading. From here, what happened? DBT come into picture, the process will be same thing. So see, these are the two approaches. One is what? Putting the cloud or directly dumping to the Snowflake. So these are the two approaches. And also, so ask your questions so that I'll try to help you. So this is a project flow. Ultimately, take any project, the sources will be different and the target will be system. The process will be same process. I'll go ahead. So this is the process. Okay, see now same thing. Now we'll see the setup. Okay, see now what happened now. First thing is that what we should do DBT setup. So see DBT setup. For this purpose, what? So prerequisite is okay. So new. So start with a fresh Gmail. Create one new Gmail. Now what happened? I already create one Gmail. Okay, now what happened? Search for DBT cloud. So see first one. So see search for DBT cloud. So click on DBT cloud. So see, try DBT Cloud free. So see, give the mail. Okay, let me open this email. So setup, we are trying to do that set, not okay, see. Okay, so this is my mail. Okay, see. So Praveen, DBT. So ABC. Now what happened? Password, you can give a password. Submit yourself. So see, we'll get one mail. Okay, see. So see, once we get no, we'll get one verification mail. Okay, just we should click verify your email address. So see what happened. So first step is to search in Google Chrome, search for DBT Cloud. Okay, see, create one account. So see, you should do complete project setup. So see, click on connection, add a new connection. So this is the first step, add new connection. Tell me now we require what? So see, tell me now DBT doesn't have its own storage. DBT require what? DBT require one data warehouse. It can be DBT can be connected to Snowflake, Postgre, BigQuery, Redshift, or database. Now what happened? Tell me now. DBT we require what? We require which one? Snowflake data warehouse. See, I'm clicking on Snowflake. What I should require? I should require Snowflake account, database, and the schema. So first step is to create one Snowflake account. Snowflake account. Okay. So see, so first step is to search, create for Snowflake Cloud. Okay. Sign up for cloud. So see, we can have 30 days free trial will be there. Okay. So Snowflake. Okay, so give the mail. Continue. So these are the basic things. Okay. AWS. Get started. It's a normal setup. I'll try to give video. Don't worry. So setup, just a setup. It's okay. So what exactly we're trying to do? We're trying to do Snowflake setup and DBT setup. That's it. Okay. So see, we're getting this mail. So click to activate. Okay, see, get started. So see, now what exactly we're trying to do? We are trying to create one Snowflake account. See, click create SQL worksheet. So see, create one database, one schema. Okay, see, first step is what? So Snowflake account. Second step is to create one database and one schema. So we'll work on which? We'll work on development database. So create database EDW devdb. Okay, see devdb. So see, control enter is the shortcut. Control enter, same thing. So create schema, EDW dev schema. Okay, yes, see. Now tell me this date. Tell me this database name, schema name is called as what? Tell me the database name, schema name is called as what? One name is there. This is called as namespace. Namespace. Okay, see, these are the important terms. See, database name, schema name, it's called as namespace. Now I have created one database, one schema. Go to DBT. So click on Snowflake. I should require database. What is our database? EDW database. Same thing, we should require one warehouse. So create one warehouse. So create warehouse. So DBT warehouse. Tell me in real-time project, who will create this databases, schemas, and warehouse? Which guy? Anyone? Which
admin.
guy? Which admin? Snowflake admin will create. Okay, see, let me create one warehouse. Okay, see, I'm trying to create one warehouse. Okay, so this is the warehouse. So warehouse, control V. Now what happened? Account. Now what I should give here? Account, what I should give here? So we should give Snowflake account. So click on the same thing. So PS, so see, click on this value. So see, one more time. So go to your profile, go to account. So click on the same thing. So see, copy the account you. Okay. Okay. So this is the same function. Okay. Now see what happened. So see, from here to here, we should copy. This is the setup. Okay. See, so from here, copy and put here. Okay. So we are taking the account of Snowflake, database name, schema name. See, of this, save it.
So Praveen, so in real time, the schema and the warehouse will contain the raw data, right?
Raw data will be contained. Yes. We'll see. Once we see models, we'll get some clarity. So see now this one, after this one, save. Save. So this is the first step. There will be two steps. Other, I'll try to give it. Don't worry. So this first step. Second step is to click on develop. Go to Cloud IDE. Okay, see connections. Already connections are there. See. So if you want to view connection details, you can. So you can able to get the all this connection details. We can able to get. Okay, see. Go to develop. So Cloud IDE. So see connections, Snowflake connections already. Now I should give development credentials. Tell me now what I should give here. Any idea? Anyone? What username, what password I should give here?
Snowflake username and password.
Snowflake username and Snowflake. Okay. Now I don't know Snowflake username. How to get the Snowflake username? Select current user control enter. Okay. See control enter. Okay. See this is the so username. So copy and put here. So password, which password I should give? Snowflake password I should give. Okay, and which schema I should give here? We created what schema? So Snowflake schema. Schema I created EDW dev schema. So copy, Control V. So this is fine. Next step is so these are the threads, massive parallel processing, test connection. If everything is fine, it will give correct one. See, I'm using the Snowflake database name, schema name, username, password, account name, and a data warehouse. Okay, see the same thing. This is fine. So save. So see now, as of now, for testing understanding purpose, I'll put so this repo. So going forward, we'll see git clone. So as of now, I'm going for manage repo create. So see, start developing the ID. Okay, so this is a simple thing. So see, confirmation purpose, what we can able to execute. Okay, see, this is the, so there will be two steps. Other, I'll try to get one more time. You can able to get some clarity. See. So see, first step of any project is see, as of now, no things are there. First, we should initialize the DBT project. When I initialize the DBT project, what happened? The folder structure will be available here. Okay, see, this is the file. Now create new file. So see, we can able to create the file. See, files. So see, select current database. Okay, comma current schema control enter. See now what happened. Now it will give and remember one more point. Okay, see. So it's connecting to which one? DevDB dev schema. How to get my username? Current user. How to get the warehouse? Current warehouse. Okay, so this is the concept. So see, point is that what? Control enter. See, now we are connected to which database? EDW DevDB dev schema Praveen SF DBT warehouse. So this is the same thing. And one more important point, semicolon won't work directly like this. So semicolon won't work. This is important point. So semicolon won't work. So got a point of see, this is the functionality. If you're not able to understand, one more time try to give. Okay. So we can able to create multiple C. We can able to create. You should know how to navigate. That's the main thing. See, click on this C. Okay, see, Praveen DBT above is one. Click on this thing. Okay. Now create new accounts. You see, I'm trying to create new account. So new account. Okay, see, I'm putting so DBT with the Snowflake. Okay, I'm trying to get it one more time so that we'll get some clarity. So it's authentication related task. Okay, so give a number. So you should copy this code and put somewhere. Okay, continue. So I'm trying to create one more time so that you'll get some clarity. Okay. So just a setup. So we're trying to do Snowflake setup and DBT setup. Okay. Tell me what you should say. Tell me what I should click on. Click on where? Anybody can tell where I should click?
Connection.
Connection. Okay. See, click on connection, add new connection. Okay. Then which one I should select? This is the data warehouse. Okay. So it can be Snowflake. Those who are coming from different back, they can able. So we are going for Snowflake. Now what I should give here? Tell me I should give here. Snowflake account. Where I should get this Snowflake account? Okay, see, click on this value profile, go to account. So navigate, click on this account URL. Okay, one more time. So PS, so Praveen Snowflake account. So navigate, just to navigate and copy account URL. Okay, see, and paste here. Okay. So paste here. Now what I want to take, so we want to take, so no need of Snowflake computing. So copy from here and put here. Okay, so put here. So now database we can give already created DB. So I create one warehouse. So database name, schema name, role is an optional thing. So next go for save. This is fine. What is second step? Second step is what? Second step, go to, so this is dashboard. Go to where? Develop, deploy, explore. Which one I should go? Which one I should go? Go to develop. So develop, and which one I should select? Cloud ID. Next step. Connection. Already connection is there. Snowflake connection. So see, if we want to get, we can able to get these details. Okay, this is fine. Okay, see, Snowflake. Scroll down. Now, which username I should give? The Snowflake username, Snowflake password, and we can give our own warehouse. What that warehouse? It's a dev schema. It's a massive parallel processing test connection. Okay. So if everything is done, it will be like this one. It will be there. Okay. So this is fine. Now scroll down. Now save. So see, for as of now, we can put anything. Repo one. Okay. Create. Okay. So this is the setup. We should have Snowflake database name, schema name, warehouse name, username, and the password. So see, we should start working in the IDE, integrated development environment. So create. Okay, how to, so first step of any project is that what? What's first step of any project? We should, what we should do?
Initialize
the project. Okay, see, initialize the project. So see, when we initialize, the folder structure will be available. See, okay, see, initialize the DBT project. So the folder structure will be available. Now see, click on create new file. How to confirm its connection successfully or not? It's a select current database, okay, comma, current schema dot current user, bracket open, bracket close, and current warehouse. Tell me semicolon required. Tell me semicolon won't work here. So this is the functionality, got the point. So this is the concept of DBT connection and Snowflake. We are connecting to the Snowflake. See, data is already there, just we are trying to connect. This is the functionality. Any doubts in the setup as of now? In the DBT setup? Go ahead.
I mean, how did you run this? Is there any command for this?
Control enter, control plus enter. Okay. Or else like what happened, we can able to preview the data. Preview also give the data. So preview will give the data. This is fine. So this is the functionality. Same thing. I'm trying to open one simple concept. So we'll see the same thing in detail. For high level, I'm trying to give select one simple concept ID Praveen name. Okay. Tell me what is ID name? What is ID name? Those are called as what?
Column alias.
Column alias. See, simple thing. Now I am trying to save this file. So this is my select statement. I am saving in one models folder. I'm putting simply like emp details dot SQL. See, simple thing. We'll see tomorrow one more time. So I'm creating in the models folder. The name is emp underscore details dot SQL create. See what happened. So see, now I'm putting simple select statement, select select one ID, Praveen name. This is fine. Now what happened? I'm executing one more command, that is DBT run -m and the model name. Model name is what? EMP details. See, it is stored in models folder. Name of the model is EMP details.sql. So DBT run -m and the model. See, when I run this, what happens? See, anybody knows what will happen? Okay, see, I'll explain. This is the important concept. See, in DBT, so see this PPT. DBT models are nothing but SQL select statement. Whenever I run, what happen? Either table or views will be created. So now we're discussing high level of DBT models concepts. So see, tomorrow we'll see one more time, don't worry. Okay, see DBT models. Okay, so now what exactly we are trying to do? DBT models, it's a .sql. It's a what file? See, it's a what? .sql file that contains what it contains. The select statements are with the class or it's a CTA, common table expression. So whenever I run any DBT model, what will happen? Tell me. So see, it's a .sql file that contains select statement. This select statement contains what? The transformation logic. So remember, this is the important point. Our transformation logic will be written inside this DBT model. So whenever I run this command, what happened? Tell me, either table or view will be created. So one more time. So DBT models are SQL statements. It's a .sql files that contains select statement. This select statement contains transformation logic. Nothing but aggregate functions, nulls handling, so duplicate finding. So all this logic run in the transformation logic. Whenever I run this command, what will happen? Tell me. Either table or view will be created. Simple thing. One more time. So here you should know how to navigate. I'm opening one more thing. So see, select simple. I'm using select command. Select one ID. Now where I should save? Tell me where I should save this one. Tell me. Where I should save? This one save in a model. We can give any name as of now, understanding purpose. EMP1 dot, what is the extension? .sql. In which folder I should save? Which folder? In the models. So models folder. Give, it's a .sql file. What it contains? The simple select statement. Now how to run this command? Tell me how to run this model. How to run the model? How to run a model? Tell me.
DBT run -m.
So DBT run -m and the model name. So see what happened. So DBT run -m and the model name. Model name is EMP1. Now tell me it contains .sql file select statement. Whenever I run, what happened? Tell me what happened. Either table or view will be created. Whenever we run any model, okay, either table or view will be created based on one concept, based on materialization property. This is one concept we'll discuss later. So see, based on this materialization property, whenever I run thing, what happened? So see this logs, EMP1 details. So scroll a little bit right. Tell me what exactly created. What it will create? Tell me. Created as what?
View.
So view. Okay, where exactly? In which database? In which schema? EDW, the Enterprise Data Warehouse DevDB, dev schema dot EMP1. So why exactly it created here? Tell me why. Because why? Tell me.
We have already provided the connection.
So while doing the connection with Snowflake, whatever the models executed, it is created in EDW DevDB, dev schema EMP1. How to confirm? Go to Snowflake. Tell me how it's list of views. List of views.
Show views.
Show views. Now question is that what discuss in Snowflake? There are 4 types of views. One is normal, metalized views, secure views, and temporary views. Now what type of view it's getting created by default? See how to find. What's our view name? EMP1. So how to find a normal view or secure view? Or how can you figure out? Anyone, any idea?
Type.
Type,
Right.
not type. What is the thing? Anybody? Important question. So I want to find which type of view it is. How to figure out? Anyone? Simple thing, tell me.
Right.
No, so see, goes are coming from Snowflake, right? And see what happened. So we can able to check from text
Show view
or
name.
two columns are there. So see two columns. Is secure,
Okay.
is materialized. Okay, see point is that what? See is secure, is materialized. Okay. Now tell me now what happened. Say what view? It's a normal. So see point is that what? So by default, whenever I run any model, it's a what type of view? Normal view will be created. See one more time. So whenever I create any model, what happened? By default, normal view will be created. Got the point? Let me a little bit. So see, simple. It's a select statement. See the logs. So see, go back to the logs. So you can use down arrow. You can use escape. So see. Okay, see. Now what happened? So you can use up arrow to get the same thing. So up arrow. So see these details. Go to details. Now what exactly create? See. So create or replace view, database name, schema name, and object name. This is called as what? Database name, schema name, and object name is called as what?
Fully qualified name.
Fully qualified name. So this is regular use. Okay, see fully qualified name. This is called as what? So database name dot schema name dot object name. What about database name, schema name? Just now discussed what is called as only database name, schema name.
Namespace.
Namespace. We'll use these two concepts in the sources concept. So as of now, we're discussing database name and schema name and object name is called as fully qualified. Now, question is that what? Why it's getting created here? That's what the question. Tell me, what is the reason? Tell me why it's getting created there. Now, tell me why it's getting created in this particular database, particular schema. Because at the starting point, we have created this database name and schema name and object name. That's why it's creating there. Now, give me 1 minute, please. 1 minute.
Sorry, Praveen.
Okay, got the point. See, this is the functionality. So one more time, whenever I run, what is the command? So it's a case sensitive, all are case sensitive. DBT run space -m and the model name. See EMP1. Now what happened? Tell me now. It will by default create as a normal view. Normal. This is the functionality. Now what happened? Now I want to create a secure view. So see, we'll see tomorrow one more time. Okay, see, we should use shortcut __ CONFIZ. One more time. Okay, __ CONFIZ. Now what happened? Now I want to create a secure view. Simple put, comma, secure equal to true. So if I put like this, what happened? Now what will create? It create as a secure view. Now tell me what is the command? DBT run space -m and model name. So it will create as what type of view? Now it's created as secure view. How to confirm? Go to Snowflake. How's list of views? Show views. Okay, see now it will be what's the view? It's a EMP1. See here, secure keyword is there, and what happened? True and false. So by default, whenever we run any model, it's a what type of object? It's a normal view. If I want to change, we should change the configuration property. We can able to change. So this is we can able to put. Okay, got the point. Ask a question. Any doubts? You should see the logs. See the logs. Go to details. So scroll down. What happened? The select statement, whatever getting, it should create as a table or use based on the metallization property. So by default, it has view. Where exactly create in the ADW dev DB dev schema, because we have given at the starting point the same. Okay, for the point. So now we are task and same thing. Now if I want to create table, what I should do? Any idea? Anyone? Any guess? Anyone? Any guess? What I should do? Tell me if I want to get what I should put.
Praveen, one quick question before we move. So in log that it won't say whether it's a secured view or temporary view. We need to go back to.
No, it's given us. See.
It's only in the log. It's giving only view.
No. See, they're given the complete detail is there. DDL. So secure.
Okay, so only for normal view it says view. Other than that, it will mention temporary.
If it's a secure, it's a normal. If it is a normal view, so see this normal view. It's a view.
It's a view. Okay.
Secure. It's a secure keyword.
Okay.
The select statement, it will create a secure view. Now, question is that what now I want to create as a table instead of secure, instead of view, put simply table and save it. Now, how to run the command is that what same thing. So DBT run space -m and the model name. Now, what it will create by default, see create as transient table. See, so see this logs. Go here, go to details. Okay, scroll down. Now what happens? See now what exactly did it? The select statement it has a what? It has a transient table. So same thing. Now what happened? Now I want to create permanent table. What I should put? Tell me transient true or false? Put false. So true. No, false. Sorry. Okay, so transient as false. Now what will create? It will create as permanent table. So now tomorrow we'll see. Whenever I run, what happened now? While it has view, I'll try to explain in detail what will happen in the background. So now your task is today's task. So create one Snowflake account and DBT account and try to integrate with the Snowflake. Okay. And what happened? You should have what? Snowflake database, Snowflake schema, Snowflake warehouse, Snowflake username, and the password required. So these are the credentials required. Now, how to confirm connection established? We should go for select current database. Okay, see database. Okay. Same thing, current schema. So tomorrow we'll see like, okay, see what exactly model is nothing but what? Why exactly it created as table? Why it created as view? Why can't we create as the same function again? Whenever I run what happened, we should have some project.yaml. So based on the project.yaml, it will be the same function. So today, just to do this connections details. If everything is fine, it's working fine. So see, this is the task again. And that's anyone so far. Okay, so just understand.